Hi. Let's see. Shake it! So welcome back to the A to Z food challenge. Challenge, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, I'm back here and we will going to do the letter B because we're done with the letter A last time. I have here B for butter mamon and then another B for banana crunch slice. And then this is buko juice. This is buko juice, guys. Coconut juice. Gusto niyo isama niyo na siya sa letter C para hindi na tayo mag-letter C. But yeah, this is coconut juice. But as what it can see here, what you can see made by Filipinos. So this should be buko juice, not coconut juice. Sige, ipaglaban mo. Gusto mo yan. Let's eat. Alam niyo, nakakatawa kasi kanina. Dapat. Pero titikman mo natin pa. Ano ba naririnig lahat? Pati yung pagluno ko naririnig. Ay. Let's see. 27. I think I need to shake it muna. Shake it! What I love here is the nata de coco. Okay. Let's start with the butter mamon. Butter mamon. Let's get it. Alam nyo, ang gusto ko lang dito sa mamon ng Red Ribbon is the actual spongy. Yeah. See that? The actual sponge of this mamon. Mas magaan lang siya kasi sa mamon ng other brand. But ang sarap din naman yun. It's just that, ito kasi butter siya. So, yung quality talaga ng bread na to is super. Ganyan niya siya. See? Sarap. At syempre, meron tayong buko juice. Ngayong finifilm ko to, alam nyo ba kung anong trending issue? Kasi, naipon ko muna bago namin i-upload. Para meron kaming Ang trending issue ngayon is about dun sa cheating ng asawa ni Meiko sa kanya. And, ang dami ko nakikita clip kasi Meiko is so vocal about the issue. Talagang dinidiscuss niya, nagla-live siya, nakinikwento niya, which is good kasi, di ba? Kaysa magmukmuk siya dyan, tell everyone, total, she's a public person na, then show it off. And if it's part of her healing and it's part na makakagaan ng loob niya, let her be. She's so strong. Definitely she can overcome it. Let's just give her time. Okay, last bite. So, and again, I wanna shake this kasi gusto ko yung nata de coco niya. Mas makain ko. Ayun siya. Ito, first time ko na matitikman itong banana crunch slice nila. This is parang 50 pesos yata. 42 pesos. So, let's try it. Hindi ko in-explain ko ano yung lasa ng butter mamon. Well, anyway, kasi nga ang issue natin kasi yung issue dun about kay Meiko, diba? So, yeah. So, ang gulo-gulo na nito. Basta importante letter B itong kinakain ko. So, ito siya. And then, here, banana crunch. Nagkalat na. Banana crunch. So, let's check. Consistency check. So, just gonna drop this first. Ano nga ito nasa ibabaw? Nasaging kaya to? Hindi ko pa pala napakita. Sinusubo na. Ayan. So, syempre, as usual, yung tinapay niya is soft. Sige, baboy mo yung pagkain. Napaka-baboy, girl. Kalat na. May crunch siya sa ibabaw na matamis. Hindi siya mani. It's a different one. Parang kami mani, pero parang siyang dinurog na banana chips. It's more on ganon. Pinulot. Ito, matamis lang yung ibabaw. Kasi nga sabi ko, parang ito ay dinurog na banana chips. Hindi ko mabasa. Hindi ko mabasa yung ingredient. Sobrang liit. Well, anyway, ito. Ayun no, parang may sugar. Parang kasi siya sugar. Matamis siya. So talagang mukha siyang it's too sweet for me. Kung kakainin ko siya ng buo. And then, ayan siya. Malaki yung banana crunch ninyo, Red Boy. Ayun. Diba? Ang moist ng bread. Yung banana flavor niya is parang banana flavor from syrup. Hindi siya yung actual banana and I cannot see any. May banana ba siya? Meron man siguro to pero very minimal kasi hindi siya pwedeng tumagal kapag may actual banana, diba? Well, anyways, it's almost 10 minutes and I think I was able to deliver the letter B mukbang. So, what's for letter C kaya? Comment down below if you have some idea or if you want us to try something for letter C. And again, I have 3 items for letter B. This is included kasi it's buko juice. So yeah, until next letter. See you on the next video. Bye-bye!